Great show, Jamie. Oh man, I hope I'm not coming down with something. Jamie, I can't make the show today. Think I got the flu. Get somebody to fill in for me. I don't care. Anyone.
The vaccines are laced with ancient alien DNA that mutates with our own DNA to create a homing beacon, wherein top-secret government technology is used to abduct said people from their homes and transport them to underground bunkers where dark occultists perform ancient blood rituals in an effort to open up a portal to hell.
Damn, so this lady found a kilo of cocaine in her knitting set? Call me Kilo and Stitch, fam. Knit me up that gator tail, baby. We making booty movies, son. Come on.
And summon the Antichrist, who will be unleashed upon our world and bring about the end times.
Space. Yeah. Is it even real? They say I've launched countless rockets into space, but have I? I don't know. Yeah, who's to say I'm not just tripping balls every time?
Through the use of Drag Queen Story Time Hour at every public library, Monday through Saturday, except Sundays on account it's a government holiday.
That albino giraffe neck, daddy, you feel me? That dustback lizard, fam.
I mean, what if all these rockets I've been launching are just going up and hitting some giant ceiling?
The following is a conversation with myself, Lex Friedman. And now, dear friends, sit back and get comfortable because this is going to take about 10 hours. Enjoy.
That Chunchi, that Colombian bam bam. Feliz Navidad, damn, baba.
But in arguing for truth, I realize I'm crafting an argument that could dismantle itself, making me question if, in this quest for intellectual honesty, I've inadvertently built a case that undermines my own position. I seem to have checkmated myself.
And now we return to Robert F. Kennedy Jr. reading the critically acclaimed bestseller, 50 Shades of Grey.
Chapter 23. Whoa. And I come loudly, gripping for dear life onto the sink as I spiral down through my orgasm, everything spinning and clenching at once. He follows, clasping me tightly, his front on my back as he climaxes and calls my name.
Call me the power company, because I'm lit.
They're eating the dogs. They're eating the cats. They're eating the... Are they shooting at me again?
Son of a bitch.